visit in Antigua and Barbuda? This Caribbean gem is more than just sun, sea, and sand. Antigua and Barbuda boast diverse landscapes from lush rainforests to pristine beaches, vibrant cities pulsating with life, and a cultural heritage richly woven with tales of the past. Awaiting you are 5 must-visit destinations that capture the essence of this enigmatic nation. So buckle up as we start our countdown with number 5. Kicking off our countdown at number 5 is the historic Nelson's Dockyard. This marvel of the 18th century is a testament to the island's rich maritime history. Once the headquarters of the British Navy, the dockyard is named after Admiral Horatio Nelson, a revered figure who lived here in the late 1700s. Each stone of the dockyard whispers a tale from the past, tales of seafarers and glorious naval battles. The Georgian architecture of the buildings, with their sturdy walls and elegant lines, is a sight to behold.